how to give Roblox microphone access on mobile. So what we want to do is just go to our settings. Now from the settings, we will scroll down here. So we'll make the search bar appear and we will search for Roblox. So just type Roblox and we want to click on it. Now here, as you can see, allow Roblox to access. You have microphone camera, so we'll just toggle this on like so, and this will grant Roblox microphone access. Just so we make sure, we will go into Roblox here, we will load up the application, we'll click on more, then we'll go here to the settings, and then we'll go into privacy. And if we see the microphone, so I use microphone to chat with voice, we will also enable this just in case, like so. I consent, enable, and that's how you grant microphone access on Roblox mobile. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.